Are you looking to build a house? Are you looking for a builder? No, trust me, you're not. Not anymore. With Imagine Kit Homes, you can save up to 20% by taking charge. In today's market, a builder simply acts as a project manager that organises the various tradespeople and materials to turn up where and when they're needed. At Imagine, our goal is to empower you to take this role and save you money. Enjoy the comfort of always knowing exactly what stage your project is at and exactly when it will be completed. And you're never alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way, from the early stages of council approval right through to your personalised finishing touches. We're always available for advice and support. We have the experience, the buying power and the partnerships with industry leaders that ensure you end up with a fantastic home at a sensational price.
I'm a registered architect, having been registered for over 20 years and worked in both the commercial and the residential side. But over the last 10 years I've specialised really in the residential sector, really trying to deliver quality, well-designed residential buildings to the market. We were approached by Imagine and we thought it was a great idea to try and fill that affordability market and try and deliver architect design homes at a cost-effective price. The benefits are really that the owner builder is going to end up with a home that's well designed. The buildability of it has been factored into the design process. So they're going to get a really efficient, well-designed home that responds to their lifestyle. So from that point of view, I think they're getting real benefit rather than going to a project builder where it's a home that's really been tailored around that builder's building construction methodology.
Once you've chosen your design, your frames will be produced by Steel Framing Systems, one of the largest manufacturers in Australia.
Steel Framing Systems is a company that supplies steel frame trusses to both the residential and commercial sectors of the industry. Steel Framing Systems prefabricate the work in their factory to allow for fast and accurate installation on site. With no twisting, long durability and better fit and finish than normal timber frames, a steel frame is your only choice. As an owner, you have peace of mind that your newly installed frame will be termite-proof, won't move, creak or stick, allowing a much better finish for the build of your house. The construction of a steel frame starts with the design process. At Steel Frame Systems, we work alongside architects using our customised software to accurately pinpoint load-bearing walls. Also designed are frames, trusses, windows and doors, which proceed through our software system to the millimetre, bringing a seamless process for a safer, smarter and quicker build on site.
Once on site, your steel frames are easily assembled and start looking like a house pretty much straight away. With the framework in place, now we provide you with every step as you require. The roof, the doors, windows, cladding, flooring, architraves, skirting and even fit out. Your new home is very close to being finished now and it already looks good. Imagine has contacts with the best tradespeople available to do all your plumbing, electrical work, anything you need, as well as fitting your new kitchen and bathroom if you want it. Otherwise, feel free to use the friends that you have in your network to save money where you can. Anywhere our prices aren't competitive, we're more than happy to substitute our tradesmen for yours. With leading and innovative design, the best framing systems available, and our vast knowledge and buying power, we make it all a reality. Imagine the comfort of owning your own home. Imagine the freedom and imagine your future. Imagine Kit Homes, helping you create your dream.